Welcome to Genesis Learning. I'm your trainer, Noel. Today, we will be discussing some of the do's and do not do's for the PTE Listening fill in the blanks. If you haven't decided on any strategy yet, then this will be a very useful video for you. Let's start learning. Alright, so the PTE academic test consists of maybe 2 or 3 questions based on listening section fill in the blanks format. In this task, a recording is played and its transcript is displayed on the screen. The transcript contains up to around 7 blanks. You have to type these words in them based on the information you hear in the recording. You are able to listen to that recording only once. And every test provider is also provided with an erasable notepad so that you can take out notes. That's it. There is no negative marking in this particular section, and you will get 1 mark if you get the correct answer. That's it. As simple as that. Let's first start with the do's, the first few things that you should do for this task. Firstly, you will get 7 seconds before the microphone opens or starts recording. Use this time to take a look at all the blanks and their position in the recording. Then, when the audio starts playing, listen carefully for the words that come before the blanks. After that, keep your mouse cursor positioned in the first blank and be ready to type. You can type or you can write. Okay? As soon as you hear the word preceding the blank, note it down in the short form in your erasable booklet. Like for example, if your word is a bottle, okay, B-O-T-T-L-E, you can just quickly write down B-T-L or B-T-L-E, something of that sort. If you are good at typing, then all you have to do is quickly type it in. However, I just suggest write it in your notepad and write it properly, type it properly a bit later. The next thing is, after you have filled the first blank, move the cursor to the next blank. But keep your eyes on the transcript and your ears open to the audio. It can be tricky sometimes to do it simultaneously, but for that all you have to do is do some practice tests. You can get a lot of practice tests on their official website, PTE's website, or you can also use our website for some practice materials. The next is, make sure you are using British English and you have used proper spellings, plural, singular nouns, etc. Now let's move on to the don't do, the things that you should not do at all for the exam. First is, do not leave any blank unanswered. Take a guess even if you are unsure, because there is no negative marking. Make sure to attempt. Next, avoid using full spellings, especially when you are taking down notes. Okay? You can fix the spellings a bit later on once the recording is over, when you have to actually type it out. Next is, don't waste time in revising your answers again and again. Please remember that the next item does not start until you click that next button on your screen. So don't waste time. Don't ignore the importance of spellings. You see, you will not be given any mark if your spelling is wrong. Even if your answer is correct, if your spelling is wrong, there is no mark. So therefore, spellings do matter. Alright, so we've now come to the end of that short little video. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and also share it with your friends if it is informative. If you are still not part of our YouTube community, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want more practice material or you want to get into some serious study, log on to our website, check out some of our packages and feel free to sign up with us. If you want to clarify any of your further doubts, use our contact form, drop your details and we will get back to you. Till we meet again, this is your tutor Noel wishing you a fantastic day ahead. Take care. Ciao.